Okay, so now that you have your perfect circle with your 12 perfect equally spaced segments drawn on your paper, you need to go to the next step, which is to draw the rectangles for your color studies. So we are going to draw one 1-inch by 5-inch rectangle at the top of the page, and then 3 at the bottom that are going horizontally. Okay, so to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is to use my ruler and measure in from the top of my paper to 1/2 inch. Okay, and again, to draw a straight line, we need to draw 2 marks. So I'm going to do that on this side of the page and over here. Then I'm going to rotate my paper and then connect those lines. Again, you don't have to draw too heavily with your pencil. A light pencil line is fine for your purposes. I'm going to rotate my paper, and then I'm going to draw a mark at the 1/2 inch in from the outside here, and then I'm going to use the ruler to connect those dots, or marks I should say. Keep saying dots, but they're really marks. Okay, so a light pencil line there, and then moving over here, make a mark at the 1/2, and then make a mark at the 1/2, and then connect those lines. Okay, so there you go. Now you have a 1/2 inch border along 3 edges of your paper. Okay, so here I will draw my 1-inch by 5-inch rectangle that's going to be horizontal. Okay, so let me flip the paper over. So we're going to go from here, line my ruler up with the edge of the line I drew a 1/2 inch in from the edge of the paper, and I'm going to make a mark at the 1. Okay, we go down here and make a mark at the 1, and then I'm going to connect those 2 marks. Okay, then I'm going to line my ruler up. Here's the 5-inch line. Line it up with the line I drew at a 1/2 inch. Make a mark here. Do the same thing at the top of my rectangle, and then connect those 2 marks. So there you have it, a 1 by 5-inch rectangle. Okay, now I'm going to flip my paper again. Now I'm going to draw a 5-inch, 3 5-inch rectangles that go this way. So what I'm going to do first is from the line I drew, 1/2 inch in from the top, is I'm going to make a mark at the 5-inch, go measure down 5 inches, slide over, measure down 5 inches from that 1/2 inch line, and then connect those dots. Okay, now at the top of your line here, line your ruler up. The edge of the ruler, the start of the ruler should be on the line you drew for the 1/2 inch border. So I'm going to make a mark at the 1-inch line. Then I want a 1/4 inch space between this first rectangle and the second, so I'm going to make a mark at 1 1/4. Okay, then I want a 1-inch space, so 1 1/4 plus a whole inch is 2 1/4. So I will go to 2 1/4 and make a mark. Now again, I want a 1/2 inch space, so just freeze.